Also wanted to do a quick check on Goodna. So for those of you that don't know, Goodna is in Queensland. Capital growth score is 99 out of 100, so excellent on a national level. Median price at the moment is 485, medium yield is 4.8. A couple of other things that I look at, days of supply is 63, which is, strong, but it has started to go up slightly. So you might make the early, comment that maybe a few months ago might have been the best time to buy in Goodna, but this might be a very short aberration. For me, 99 is very strong. You would expect that to be starting to drop, where it's actually been very steady the last couple of months. So it's a very strong buy at the moment in Goodna. Vacancy rates 1.2 is excellent on a national level. Now, the owner-occupier percentage is 44% and the social economic advantage score is 1. Okay? So these are two gotchas. The data is looking excellent for Goodna, but, there's very few owner-occupiers there. You might struggle to find a street area in Goodna which has enough owner-occupiers. Okay, so you can see some streets here, obviously, with very low owner-occupiers, and then some areas down here in the south with 2/3. So our general rule is 65% or above is okay. Now, we have some issues here with Goodna because we have a main road and a train line. So they're our key drivers of utility. We have a lot of public housing in Goodna, okay? Up here this is the south part of Goodna, which is up on the hill. And then you have a lot of flood impacted areas down in this. So where a lot of these owner occupiers are living, it's actually a lot of flood impact and overlays through there, right? So it really is only this middle band, a couple of street areas, maybe only this street here and a couple of these streets over here, and maybe this one where you would actually consider buying based on owner occupier levels. Then you've got to make sure that the public housing, you're not between the public housing and the key drivers of utilities, which is the train line, because you're going to get all these people walking through here all day getting to the train station. Now, there are some pockets where you can make this work, but only a few. We have over the years been able to successfully purchase in Goodna. It's very hard for us to make it work though. Okay, so you have to be very, very careful of what you're doing at a street level. Look, there are a few properties that are in reasonable street locations. Look, some of them have been in quite distress. So, this property's been on the market for 43 days, but the vendor has discounted it by over 10% already. We're targeting, the appraised value even on this one is above the asking price, but, that's a manual appraisal. But the street area is poor across the line, across the spectrum here in Goodna. So, look, hopefully that's useful.